pole-mounted battery is a battery that is mounted to one of our electricity poles. Essential Energy is installing the batteries in Wagga Wagga, Bathurst, Dubbo, Port Macquarie and Armidale. The purpose of the trial is to understand, firstly, technically how the batteries work, understand how we can install them safely and make sure that they're reliable in the community, and also to understand what the community's reactions are to having the battery in the community. The pole-mounted battery works exactly like any other battery, whether it was a battery in somebody's home or a battery in an EV. It's connected to our low voltage distribution network, and it is charged using excess solar throughout the middle of the day, and then it can discharge that energy in the evening when the sun's not shining. The benefit of a pole-mounted battery is it allows customers to generate, store and then use their own renewable energy locally within their community.